all, my name is Navelia. I am a student from Amity Polytechnic and today I am here to share my experiences with you all while I was pursuing Diploma in Computer Science. Well, to start with, my experiences have been really amazing. I am grateful to my faculty members for always being there whenever we needed them. Their behavior towards us was really friendly and helpful. My campus is filled with up-to-date computer laboratories and libraries with updated latest editions books which helped us during our exam times and during the completion of our assignments as well. We all are very well aware of the fact that finding a right internship is a bit difficult. So my faculty members also helped me with that, as our university invited various noted companies to our college, and they provided us the right learning experience and work experience, which was really commendable. And my university is full of lush green playgrounds where Sangathan is organized every year, so that many students come forward and take part in various sports activities and showcase their hidden talents. Apart from academic excellence, my university also focused on developing a student's personality as well by organizing various events like debate, declamation, skits, street plays, etc. They also made me realize my creative and innovative skills at the same time. Overall, I'm really grateful to Amity Polytechnic for providing me such a nice academic environment and a beautiful learning experience that I'll cherish my whole life. Thank you.